In case you are watching this video for the first time, this is Math with Ish, the place where every student fall in love with mathematics. So let's go. Today we are looking at another question that is still centered on quadratic equation. And recall that this week we are dealing with quadratic equation. So let's look at this particular question on the board. It says we should find the roots of x in the equation, and this is given to us. Now, when we talk about the roots of x, we're talking about the values of x, the solution to the quadratic equation. That is what is referred to as the roots, okay? So now, if you look at this question, the first thing we're going to do is to get rid of this square here. And to do that, we have to take the square root of both sides. So our solution is, when we take the square root of both sides, what will happen? This becomes square root of x minus 6 1 over 4 squared. And then we can change this to improper fraction. And when we do that, this will give us 16 times 1, 16 plus 9. That is 25 over 16. And you see that? Okay, so next is this. Remember, we are taking the square root of both sides, so I'm also putting the square root sign here. Now, this square root sign, we get rid of this square so that I'm left with x minus 6 1 over 4. Okay, so this square root sign and the square cancels out. That is the reason why we have to take the square root of both sides, just to get rid of the square, okay? Next, the square root of 25 is 5, the square root of 16 is 4. And then next, I'm going to transform this to improper fraction. 4 times 6, that is 24 plus 1, 25 over 4. Okay, sorry, I forgot something. We're supposed to put plus or minus in front of the square root sign, okay? Because we are supposed to have two values. Now, this gives us plus or minus 5 over 4. And then the next thing to do is to take this minus 25 over 4 to the right-hand side, so that it becomes 25 over 4 plus or minus 5 over 4. Can you observe that the sign changed to positive as it crosses over to the right hand side? And so from here, we can actually get our values for x as we can now say that x is equal to 25 plus 5 over 4, or x is equal to 25 minus 5 over 4. And then when we work on this, this gives us 30 over 4. X equals to 30 over 4. Or x is equals to 20 over 4. And so finally, our value for x is equal to 4 into this. That will give us 7. Remember 2, that's 7.5. And then x 4 into 20, that gives us 5. And so this is our solution. Our roots, the roots of the equations are 7.5, which is the same thing as 7.5, and then x is equal to 5. So I hope you get value from this. Do have a good day. Bye.